How to set website language in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up the website language into your Hostinger website. So by here, you are going to head over the Hostinger website, which is hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and then you're going to visit the websites list. You're going to click on here, then you are going to click on websites list. Now we are going to see the property that we have, which is basically a website. So we're going to make sure that you are going to use or modify or edit the website that has the Hostinger logo on it. So we are going to click on here. Now we are going to wait for the website to load up. It is going to be a very specific process and also a very simple one. So, how we can find the language of the website? Depending on the region that you have opened or created the website from, or the navigation or the language of the system that you have navigated through Hostinger, it is going to detect automatically the language. So, in our case, it has detected the English. So, we are going basically here to click on the more settings, and now we are going to head over the SEO settings because this is going to be related to the SEO. Why? Because the SEOs or the search engine are going to be judging or making the assumption of the website language. So we are going to click on the website overview from here. You're going to see the business or brand name, and the website language is going to be English. So it is going to be the natural one. If I want to change it, I'm going to click on edit. And then I can add, for example, the brand name and also the website language. For example, I want to change it for French. So we are going to have it as French. So we're going to have it French like that. So I search for French, only French. We're going to click on save, and here we have it. So I have changed the language for the search engine for French. You can go ahead and restart or refresh the page of the specific website and see if we have some setup or some of the modifications. We are not going to see them because you have started from the English, but basically you can go ahead and see them only on the SEO. It is going to be detected here French. So I'm going to give it back to English, and here we have it. That was pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.